Hey, it's Eren, and I'm gonna discuss something very important today. Do you have an alarm clock? Maybe even a regular clock? Well, Mikasa got me a clock, and it has been waking me up for the past week. This tiny little thing that she got me, that she thought was so cute, has been haunting me in my sleep. Look at it. Just look at it. So tiny and so harmless. This thing is the devil. Should I break it? I really want to break it. I guess I shouldn't. Mikasa would kind of kill me. Although she wouldn't kill me. But she would probably beat me up a lot. Can you hear this? Do you see how loud this thing is? Just listen. It is so annoying. It drives me insane. Literally drives me insane. If you ever get an alarm clock this tiny. No. I suggest you don't get an alarm clock this tiny. 'Cause it'll bug the crap out of you. I'm done ranting about this. I'm done. Hey guys, I'm new to YouTube. My name's Levi. If you like this video, then I would suggest hitting that little subscribe button down there. Until next time, see you guys.